Hello, my name is Rachel and I am a marketer, blogger, and lifestyle influencer, and I live at Flats the Alfred. I've been in Chicago for about 4 years now and I love it here in the city. One of the things that drew me to this building was the location. So I felt like being able to be close to the action, close to restaurants, bars, shops, it was really something that I wanted to do. I love hopping on a divvy bike and riding around and exploring some of the different pockets of the neighborhood that I may have not seen before. And it's really cool to be so close to so many attractions like Millennium Park, the Bean, and things like that. So a couple of things that drew me to this building in particular. One was the rooftop. It is absolutely stunning and there's so much greenery. It's fun to work up there and just have friends over in the evenings. It's just a really cool oasis in the middle of the city. Another amenity that I love about this building is the Heritage Coffee Shop down in the lobby. It's super convenient to have that in the building and the coffee is delicious. So as a lifestyle blogger, I really love to shoot really quality content for different brands and share stories and experiences with my followers. So one of the things that I wanted to make sure I did in this space is really have lots of areas to shoot content. One of the first projects that I did was actually wallpapering my bathroom. I used a peel and stick gold foil wallpaper and it really just added so much to the space. I've done other projects like an accessories closet where I put all of my purses and shoes and bags in one place and it's almost like a storefront that I can shop from when I get ready to leave the house, so it's really fun. A couple other projects in here. I did a gallery wall in my bedroom as well as an entire accent wall full of different decals that is so fun. I've kept a lot of my colors pretty neutral, so you'll see lots of browns, taupes, and other colors like that. I really wanted to keep it clean because knowing that I shoot so many different brands, I wanted to have kind of a neutral palette in the background. And it's also very relaxing to me. It feels very zen and calm to just have kind of a neutral palette here in the apartment. So one of the things I've had to do in this apartment is adjust to the working from home environment, and I love that I get a ton of natural light in this apartment because it helps kind of lift my mood and keep me motivated as I'm working throughout the day. I make sure that I have a dedicated space to work every day, so I sit at the same table and kind of have that routine, so it kind of gets me into the right mindset when I sit down to work. I do love to keep a morning routine just because it helps me kind of get started for the day. I get up, I have my coffee, I do a meditation and different things just to kind of get me in the right headspace for work, just knowing that I'll be there for the majority of the day. One of the things I've had to learn during quarantine is how to shoot content in a new environment. I'm not working with photographers as much anymore, and so I've really had to learn how to do things myself. So shooting content with my tripod in my kitchen or learning how to edit my own videos. But it's been really fun and awesome to learn something new and also benefit my business. One of the areas that I love to shoot in here in the apartment is my kitchen. I have this gorgeous open shelving concept behind me, and it's really cool to be able to have that as a backdrop in my own home for my content. One of the cool things about the Flats community is that each of their buildings have gorgeous common areas for people to gather. So I know I could have a dinner here, but I could also have a hangout with my friends at another building, and they're all so thoughtfully designed, and it's such a fun place to spend my time. All right guys, I'm Rachel. I am a marketer, lifestyle blogger, and influencer, and I am thrilled to be a part of the Flats community. You good?
Cool. Great.